Hi everybody, it's the Soap Man and it's time to make some soap. Today we'll be doing an all-natural soap. We'll be using the slab mold and I'm going to be doing 2 layers of an in the pot swirl. So the bottom is going to be activated charcoal from Nurture Soap and it will be accented with white titanium dioxide. The top is going to be colored with natural turmeric. Probably can't see down in there, and it's going to change color when it hits the lye anyway, and then that will also be accented with white titanium dioxide. We're going to fragrance this with Brambleberry's tenfold essential orange oil. What that means, this has been distilled 10 times to really extract the strong orange essences, and that way it stays nice and strong in your cold process soap. I've used it for years. It does behave and it holds its scent. I think that's enough said, so give me a minute to get set up and I'll be right back. Okay, I am ready for our bottom layer, which is going to be black. And I intentionally mix this just a little bit warmer. I put some ice in the lye water, but not a whole lot, and I'm soaping at about 99, but I did that intentionally because this is a fairly fast and easy pour. And I want that bottom layer to set up quickly. So it's a little warmer than usual, and I know the fragrance behaves really well. So let's get our black stirred in. Looks good. And let me give the TD a little buzz. This is titanium dioxide mixed in hot water. And because the fragrance oil is really dark, I'm going to leave this white unscented. It shouldn't make a difference, this small amount. So let's get that in there. Stir our TD in, which will have to be stick blended. All of this will. Looking good. Alright, let's give these a quick buzz. I'll start with the white. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and put my fragrance in the black. Once again, I know that was a pretty good stick blending, but I want this to set up quickly, and this will be a fast pour. Pour about half of that in. You see how dark that fragrance is? That's because it's been distilled 10 times. And I couldn't do soap without making a mess, of course. It looks like a nice consistency. Okay, that obviously has to set up considerably before I can do anything, so I'll be back and I'll clean up a little bit off camera. Okay, I'm ready for layer 2. Even with a hefty stick blending and soaping at 99 degrees Fahrenheit, that first layer took a long time to set up. Now this is our turmeric. If you've never seen turmeric when it mixes with soap batter, watch this. I imagine most of you have. So here's what the turmeric looks like. Kind of golden yellow orange. I'm going to put 2 heaping teaspoons in. Maybe just 1 extra, just a little. All right, watch this, if you can see it, yeah. It turns a vibrant burnt orange when it mixes with lye solution. And the longer it sits in the lye solution, the more vibrant it becomes. Really beautiful orange. Now I've already gone ahead and put the TD into the white, so let's get our fragrance in here and get these mixed and poured. So let me give my white a stick blend to brighten it up. Give our turmeric orange soap a good stick blend. And it is time to pour this into the mold. And I am going to just leave the top just like it is. I'll scrape this excess off into something else, a small single-use container. So I'm going to leave that just like it is. And that is what I have. So I'll see you tomorrow for the cut. Bye, everybody. And we are back to cut our soap. And boy, the pour went really well. It got some really nice. I'm just marbly like I'm really happy with this. The top looks considerably different after saponification. I took a before and after picture. I'll try to upload that. But let's just dive right in and see what we have. Oh, wow. Very, very nice. Okay, you know what? I'll be back in just a minute. I'm going to cut this into a 3-inch section and cut this on the fade. Instead of cutting it this way, I'm going to cut one of them this way. So I will be right back. All right, so here's the one log. We'll cut the traditional way. Yeah, really nice. And then let's cut this one on the face of it. So here, normally I've been cutting it this way, but this is the, let's see, this is the face where I cut it, and we'll cut it this way and see if it looks any different. Make sure not that, yeah, this way. See if that looks any different. And actually it doesn't. It doesn't look any different at all. This is the second log. I really thought that was going to be strikingly different. So anyway, I am super happy with these, with this all natural soap, all natural colors and natural essential oil to fragrance it. Super happy with these. And I took a picture of the top before saponification and after saponification. You can see how different the turmeric looks before and after. I'll finish cutting these and get some pictures up, and that's what I have this week. So thanks for watching. Stay safe, take good care of yourselves, and be blessed. Bye, everybody.